Primary berperan penting sebagai peletak dasar-dasar keilmuan di kalangan peserta didik dengan pengajaran yang berbasis pada kurikulum nasional dan internasional.
Sekolah Jubilee lahir guna memaknai hakikat Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, sehingga kredo yang kemudian dipegang teguh adalah harmoni dalam perbedaan.
At Jubilee Primary, we have high expectation in the classroom. We are a community of learners that promote academic excellence. We provide a safe, welcoming, and academic environment for our learners. Teachers and administrators teach students about life, decision-making, and help students to build their character and sense of who they are.
I've been teaching here since 2009. Every time I go to the class and then every time I start to teach the kids, actually it's not me teaching them, but I'm also learning from them. They teach me about the value of this life. They keep on give me spirit to keep on teaching. They boost my energy. This school is a safe learning environment. It will be great if you put your children in this school. You will feel the experience of school, but it tastes like home.
Being a teacher at Jubilee makes my job just so much easier and so much fun. Jubilee has so much to offer. It has lots of facilities to advance the students, such as libraries, a basketball court. We go on camps to Chibogo, and Jubilee has this fantastic canteen where children learn how to exchange money for food and then receive change. We are not only here to teach the children the actual content and broaden their knowledge, but also to develop their life skills such as discipline and social skills. And Jubilee is just such a safe environment for these children to grow, and we help develop the students.
We don't just teach the children. We want them to learn how to be lifelong learners. We make it our mission to provide the happiest and safest place for the children to grow and become the best version of themselves. Jubilee School is your children's home away from home.